Good morning students. Welcome to Easy Test App class. Myself Mrs. Vidya Jadhav from Sri Bhavani Vidyalaya Atpadi of Atpadi Education Society, Atpadi District, Sangli. This lecture of mathematics is presenting in coordination with Easy Test App. Student, last period we solved some examples of the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression in the topic of arithmetic progression. Today we are going to solve some another examples. Look here, this example 1, in anA.P, that is in an arithmetic progression, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Here in this question we have given that two conditions. First condition is that sum of 3 consecutive terms. Sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and product of these 3 consecutive terms is the 504. Find the terms. Here we have given that one condition, one hint here. Assume that 3 consecutive terms in AP are A minus D, A and A plus D. Here 3 terms are given us. Which are that 3 terms? First term is the A minus D, second term is the A and third term is the A plus D. Here first we write 3 terms are A minus D, A and A plus D. A plus D. Here we have given the first condition. Let that terms are A minus D, A and A plus D. First condition is that sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. That sum of these 3 terms is equal to 27. Sum of these terms is the 27. Therefore, from first condition, which is the first condition? The sum of these 3 terms, that is the A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to, sum of these 3 terms is equal to 27. This is the first condition. That is the sum is equal to 27. Therefore, here minus D and plus D is cancelled. Now remains A plus A plus A. Therefore, 3A is equal to 27. 3A is equal to 27. Therefore, A is equal to 27 upon 3. A is equal to 27 upon 3. Therefore, A is equal to 9. Look here, A is equal to 9. Now, from second condition, second condition is that their product is 504. Their product is the 504. Their product means the product of these 3 terms, that is the A minus D into A plus D is equal to, what is the product of 504. 504. From second condition, A minus D into A plus D is equal to 504. Therefore, look here, A minus D and A plus D. We know that the identity a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Using this identity, we have a square minus d square into a is equal to 504. Look here, a minus d into a plus d is equal to a square minus d square using identity. Now we put the value of a, 9 square minus d square into 9 is equal to 504. Now 9 square is equal to 81. Nine square is equal to 81 minus d square. 9 square is equal to 81 minus d square into 9. Here 9 is multiply here. Here becomes divide. Is equal to 504 divided by 9. Therefore 81 minus d square is equal to 9 एके 9, 9 पाचा 45, 5 राहिले 9 सख 54. म्हणजे here when we divide by 9 we get the 56. 56 is the plus and d square is the minus. Therefore here next step is the 81. Here becomes minus 56 is equal to d square Therefore d square is equal to 25. Subtraction is the 25. 81 minus 56 is equal to 25 and therefore d is equal to plus or minus 5. Taking square root of both sides. Square root of 25 is plus 5 or minus 5. We consider here two values, plus 5 or minus 5. Now we get the value of a and value of d. Look here, our question is find the terms. Find the terms and these terms are given that a minus d, a and a plus d. For finding that terms, we have to find the value of a and value of d. Here value of d. Value of a and value of d. Now we write that terms. First we take a is equal to 9 and d is equal to plus 5. We consider first a is equal to 9 and d is equal to plus 5. Therefore, first term is equal to a minus d is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Second term is equal to a is equal to 9 and third term is equal to a plus d is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 40. These are three terms, 4, 9 and 40. These are three terms. When a is equal to 9 and d is equal to 5, that is the plus 5. Now we take a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 5. Here, look here. First term. First term is equal to a minus d is equal to 9 minus minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 40. Second term is equal to a is equal to 9 and third term is equal to A plus D is equal to 9 plus minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Here, look here. First term, when we take the A is equal to 9 and D is equal to minus 5, first term is the 14, second term is the 9 and third term is the 4. And when we take the A is equal to 9 and D is equal to plus 5, first term is equal to 4, second term is equal to 9 and third term is equal to 14. These are the terms. This example is the important example. Look here. These three consecutive, we have to find the three consecutive terms, and this term, assume that three terms are A minus D, A and A plus D. These are the three terms. We have given that two conditions. Using that two conditions, we find the value of A and D. We get here two values of D, plus 5 and minus 5. Then we write these three terms. Now, the next example. Divide 207 in 3 parts such that all parts are in AP. And product of two smaller parts will be 4623. Here, in the same way, we solve this example. Divide 2007 in 3 parts such that all parts are in AP. Therefore, first we write 3 terms. 3 terms are in AP is equal to 3 terms. We write the 3 terms. First term is the A minus D, second A, and third one is the A plus D. 3 terms are in AP is equal to A minus D, A and A plus D. Now, here from condition, here also two conditions. Divide 207. It means that sum of these three terms is equal to 207 from first condition. From first condition. पहिली कंडिशन आपल्याला काय दिलेली आहे? That is the divide 207 in 3 parts. And therefore, from first condition, A minus D plus A minus A plus D is equal to 207. That is the sum of 3 terms is equal to 207. Therefore, here also minus D and plus D is cancelled. Therefore, A plus A is equal to 3A is equal to 207. Therefore, A is equal to 207 divided by 3. Divided by 3. 3 न भाग करूया. 3 एके 3. 3 संग 18, 2 राहिले, 3 9 27. Therefore, A is equal to 69. A is equal to 69. Then from second condition. Second condition is that product of two smaller part. This is the first part, that is the first term. Second term, that is the second part, and this is the third term. These two are the smaller part. Therefore, from second condition, product of two smaller part, that is the product of A minus D into A. A minus D into A is equal to 4623. Now look here, we put the value of A. A is equal to 69. Therefore, 69 minus D into 69 is equal to 4623. Here 69 is multiply here, therefore here becomes divide. Therefore 69 minus D is equal to divided by 69. Multiply here becomes divide. आता भाग घालवत असताना 23 न भाग जातो. 23 त्रिक 69, 23 दुनी 46, भाग जात नाही म्हणून 23 शून्य शून्य आणि 23 एके 23. पुन्हा 3 न भाग घालूया आपण. 3 एके 3, 3 सहा 18, 3 सत्ते 21. Therefore 69 minus D is equal to 67. Is equal to 67. Here next step, 69 minus 67 is equal to minus D becomes plus D, and therefore D is equal to 2. Therefore D is equal to, look here, we get the value of A and value of D. Now we write A is equal to 69. A is equal to 69 and D is equal to 2. Therefore first part, we divide this number in 3 parts. Therefore first part is equal to A minus D is equal to 69 minus 2 is equal to 67. First part is equal to 67. Second part is equal to A is equal to 69, and third part is equal to A plus D is equal to 69 plus 2 is equal to 70. Therefore 3 parts are 3 parts of 207 are first part is the 67, 69 and 71. Look here, example is divide 207 into 3 parts such that all parts are in AP and the product of 2 smaller parts will be 4623. Here also we have given 2 conditions. We divide this number, therefore from first conditions sum of these three terms is the 207, and second condition is the given that product of 2 smaller part will be 4623. From these conditions we get the 2 value, and 2 value, that is the value of A and value of D. Therefore from these we get the first part, second part and third part. Next example is there are 37 terms in an AP. How many terms? 37 terms. The sum of 3 terms placed exactly at the middle. Sum of 3 terms placed exactly at the middle is 225. And sum of last 3 terms is 429. Write AP. Now look here. Here are the 37 terms. Total terms are 37 terms. 37 total terms are 37. Are 37 terms. Among these 37 terms, middle term is the 19th term. Middle term is the 19th term. And मधली टर्म 19वी आल्यानंतर या बाजूला 18 टर्म्स राहणार आहेत, या बाजूला 18 टर्म्स राहणार आहेत. And therefore middle term is the 19, and therefore here 20, 21. In this way, last term is the 27. And here 18, 17 and so on. Last term is the first. That is this is the first term, 17th term, 18th term, 19th term. 19th term is the middle term. 19th term is the middle term. Therefore, here we write the middle term is the A. Middle term is the A. And here A plus D. A plus D means A plus 1D. A plus 2D. And here A plus 18D. Here A plus 18D. Here also A minus D, A minus 2D. In the same way, A minus 18D. A minus 18D. Look here. A plus 18D. From first condition, sum of three terms placed exactly at the middle from first condition. First condition is sum of middle three terms. Sum of middle three terms. That is the A minus B plus A plus D is equal to 225. Sum of these three terms is the 225. That is the A plus A 3A is equal to minus D and plus D cancel. 3A is equal to 225. Therefore, A is equal to 225 upon 3. A is equal to 3 7 21, 3 5 15. That is the value of A is equal to 75. Now we have to find the value of D from the second condition. Second condition, from the second condition. Here we write from the second condition. Look here. From second condition, sum of last three terms. From second condition, last three terms, last term is the A plus 18. Previous term is the A plus 17D. And another term is the A plus 16D. Therefore, from second condition, A plus 16D plus A plus 17D plus A plus 18D is equal to, sum is the 429. 429. Look here. A plus A plus A. How many A? 3A. 3A, but the A is equal to 75. Here we write the 3A plus 16D plus 17D plus 18D is equal to 51D is equal to 429. Look here, put the value of A, that is the 3 into 75 plus 51D is equal to 429. Now look here, 3 into 75 is equal to 225. 3 into 75. 3 into 75 is equal to 225 plus 51D is equal to 429. Now 225 here becomes minus 51D is equal to 429 minus 225. 51D is equal to 9 minus 5, 4, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 2, 2. D is equal to 51 becomes divide 51, and therefore D is equal to, when we divide we get 4. D is equal to 4. That is the value of D is equal to 4. Now D is equal to 4. When we divide 204 by 51, we get the 4. That is the value of D is equal to 4. Now our question is that write AP. Write AP. Write AP. Question is the write AP. Therefore first term. First term is equal to, first term A minus 18D. A minus 18D is equal to, A minus 18D. A is equal to 75 and 18 into 4. 18 into 4 is equal to 75. 18 into 4, 72 is equal to 3. 75 minus 72, 3. Second term is equal to, A minus 17D is equal to 75 minus 17 into 4 is equal to 75 minus 17 चौक 68. 75 minus 68 is equal to 7. Now we know that the first term is the A. D is equal to 4. First term is the 3. Second term is equal to 3 plus 4, 7. Next term, third term is equal to 7 plus 4, 11. Therefore third term is equal to A minus 16D is equal to 75 minus is equal to 75 minus 64 is equal to 11, and therefore AP is equal to 3, 7, 11 and so on. In this way we write the AP. Look here, from this example, here we given two conditions, but here terms are more. We solve the examples 3 terms, 4 terms, 4 consecutive terms, 3 consecutive terms, but here terms are 37, so that here we write the total terms are 37, middle term is the 19. टोटल 37 आहेत म्हटल्यानंतर मधली टर्म किती येणार आहे 19. मग इकडे किती असणार आहेत 18 टर्म असणार आहेत आणि इकडच्या बाजूला 18 टर्म असणार आहेत. याच्यावरून आपण या कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स ह्या मांडायच्या. लेट मिडल टर्म इज द A. Then here A plus D, A plus 2D, in the same way A plus 18D. Here also A minus D, A minus 2D, so on, A minus 18D. Now from first condition, middle 3 terms, sum of middle 3 term is the 225. From this condition we get the value of A, and second condition is that sum of last 3 terms. Last 3 terms are here, and sum of last 3 terms is equal to 429. And from this condition we get the value of D. Now we write the AP here. Now the next point in an arithmetic progression, that is the application of an arithmetic progression. We solve one example in this point. Example is that there is an auditorium. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. In are how many rows? 27 rows. There are 20 seats in first row. In first row there are 20 seats. 22 seats in second row. 24 seats in third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in 15th row, and also find how many total seats are there in auditorium. Here two questions are given. First question is that find the number of seats in 15th row, and second question is that how many total seats are there in auditorium. Now this is the example is based on the formula of T1 and formula of the Sn, and therefore this is the application of an arithmetic progression. Here we have given that in auditorium 27 rows are there. In first row 20 seats. Therefore from given information we write AP. Given information we write AP. Here first term AP, first term of the AP, that is the number of seats in first row, that is the 20. Number of seats in second row 22, 24 and so on. From this AP we have A is equal to 20, D is equal to difference between two consecutive terms, 22 minus 22. Here we have to calculate, find the number of seats in 15th row. That is, we have to calculate the number of seats in 15th row. Number of seats in 15th row. T15. We have to calculate T15. Also, second question, how many total seats are there in auditorium? Auditorium मध्ये total seats किती आहेत? There are the 27 rows, and therefore we have to calculate sum of the total seats in 27 rows. Therefore, S27. We have to calculate S27. Now, S27 is equal to question mark. Now, first we calculate T15. Therefore, we write the Tn, formula of Tn. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we have to calculate the T15. That value of the A is equal to 20 plus value of N is equal to 15 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 20 plus 14 into 2 is equal to 20 plus 28. Therefore, T15 is equal to 48. T15 is equal to 48. We get the number of chairs, that is the number of seats in the 15th row. We have to calculate the number of seats in particular row. Therefore, here we use the formula of T. Second question, how many total seats? How many total seats? Therefore, we use the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket complete. Using this formula, we calculated S27 because total number of rows are 27. Therefore, value of the n is the 27 upon 2. 2 into value of a is the 20 plus n is the 27 minus 1 into value of D is the 2. Value of D is 2. Here 27 upon 2 in bracket 40, 20 into 2 40 plus 26, 27 minus 1 26 into 2. 27 upon 2 in bracket 40, 26 into 2 52. Therefore 27 upon 2 into sum of these two numbers is the 92. Sum of these two numbers is the 92. Now बे चौक 8 आणि बे सख 12. That is here 46. Therefore 27 into 46. S27 is equal to product of these two numbers is the 1242. S27 is equal to, therefore we write the answer here. First one is the number of seats. In 15th row is equal to 15th row is equal to 48, and total number of seats in auditorium is equal to 1240. This is the another second example. Here, look here, in application of the AP, first important thing that read the example carefully. Then first read this example. Then we use the formula for this example. TN चा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा की SN चा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा हे आपल्याला कळलं की ही उदाहरण ही ऍप्लिकेशन अजिबात अवघड नाही. Remaining examples we will study next day.